I'll do this briefly. Look at the price of oil, down very, very sharply today. You're off nearly 4%. Our ban on Iranian oil exports goes into effect today. Saudi Arabia says they'll step up to production to keep the market stable. We in America have a massive supply of oil already in storage. That's why the price is going down so much. And that's why the stock market is down, because you've got a 200-point loss for the Dow, largely because of this drop in the price of oil. I want to bring in market watcher Heather Zumarraga, who joins us now. Heather, am I right here? I'm saying that the sharp sell-off in oil has created this sharp sell-off in stocks. What do you say?
It really has, today at least, Stuart. So when I look back yesterday's data showing that U.S. fracking is really causing these stockpiles to just cause the supply to go up. Fracking is working in this country, and that is where we're getting this overhang. Despite removing these sanction waivers, we're still seeing the price of oil drop down because the U.S. is now producing a record 12.3 million barrels per day.
We are producing 12.3 million barrels a day. I didn't know it was that high already.
Yeah. As of Wednesday, as of yesterday, U.S. oil production reached a record of 12.3 million barrels per day. That's why you're seeing crude decline. Wow. Yeah, it's a lot.
That is a lot indeed. Yes, it is. That's Saudi Arabian levels and then some. I've got to raise one other issue. China's leader, Xi Jinping, coming to the White House. We understand there are reports early in June that could signal that we're on the verge of a trade deal. I would have thought that would have put a shot in the arm for the stock market, but it hasn't. Is it a shot in the arm for a trade deal?
Well, I think you can also mention China when you talk about oil, that they still may buy oil from Iran. So we have a lot of moving parts in market-moving headlines regarding China right now. But look, I think this is a positive for the markets. This is what the markets have been waiting for. They're moving on the Fed, which is now on the back burner. Yesterday, the Federal Reserve confirmed their wait-and-see approach, as well as Chinese trade deal. The vice premier of China is set to come to Washington next Wednesday again. They're going to wrap up talks, announce something on Friday. Hopefully we get a deal that markets like, and I'm pretty optimistic, Stuart.
Okay, I'd like to see that market reflect that. Heather, thanks for joining us. I'm sorry it's so short, but you know, it's a big day in the news business. Thank you, Heather Zumarraga.